Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can use the Git inside your project. So first we are going to create a project in the local. Then after that we will connect it the GitHub and then I will teach you the different commands which is mainly used with the daily working flow in the daily life cycle. Yeah, so let's start. So here I have created a folder Git learning. Let's create a file learning.txt and then we are going to write something here like I am Ajay SD to XYZ and let's save it. Okay, let's open a terminal here. In this video, I will tell you how you can create the branch, how you can the push, how you are going to take the pull and how you are going to check the status, how you're going to merge the different branch inside your branch and etc and etc. Okay, so just we have to initialize the Git in this project. So what we are going to just we have to run the Git init. Take note of it. And Git is initialized in this project. Okay, then we are going to check the Git status. Now we are going to create a project inside our GitHub. Let's open a Chrome browser first. Here, GitHub. Initialize a project here. Git learning. Okay, we I don't need currently Git redeem and etc and etc. Just create it. Now I am going to connect my this project with my local. So here you can see already there is the different here is the different methods available and the commands how we are going to connect. Just first we have to the commit in our local. So you can see here this is the learning text available here. You can check the status by running the command git status and let's add this one. Here you can see we are already getting the hint how we can add this file. Like if I am going to run the git add dot, then if there is the multiple file available, then all files are going to be staged. But if I want, I have to add the one by one file, or you can assume like there is a multiple file and you want to stage only two of them. Then you have to run just git add. Then you have to give the file name only here. Then you can check here. We can add it. Generally, we have staged this one and to commit this file just we have to run git commit minus m sorry hyphen m and after that we have to pass the message. So as you already know we are just creating this project, so currently I am going to give the commit message initialize project initial. Just you can check here by running the command get status. Now it is the committed. Just we have the committed in our local, but we have to connect this local with the GitHub project. So your colleague can be synced with it. To do it, we have already committed and we are already at the Git in the main branch. To set this repo, this project with your local one, we have to run this command git remote at origin, then this link. It is initialized and just we have to push it. Okay, done. It is the post. Check here. Let's reload it. And you can check it. We have created the learning text in our local and it can be seen here. Okay. Now we are going to learn command stage by stage. So first command, if you have to check the status of your working project, working tree, you have to run the git status command. By doing it, you can check the current status of your project. For example, you can see if I am adding here line number 3, okay, living in Gurugram, okay, just save it. Now I am going to run this command. Now we can see here we are getting the message the learning text has been modified, okay, and we are getting the message if we want to restore this file, then we can run this one git restore then file name. If I am going to press the enter, then the changes what I have made currently before sorry after the commit, it is going to be restored. And if I want to add this file, then I can run git add then file name. After running this command, this is going to be add to stage 1. Currently, it is showing that this file has been modified, but it is not staged. Okay, first I am going to see you how we can check what the changes are made. To check this, can run git status. By running this, you can check the file what has been changed. After that, you can check git diff. Then, if you are giving the file name, then you can see in this file at line number this what changes are made. Just you can see here the plus, it mean the line number in this line, just this text has been added. Okay, let's check something. If I am changing this one xyz to xyz, okay, let's see what is happening. Get status, still you will get the learning file has been changed. But if you are running the git diff, then at this time you can see line number 2 has been already also updated. And after updating what we have made the new changes, this one, and the this plus 3 living in Gurugram is new line, new character has been added to this file. Okay, so this was the lesson how we can check the what has been changed and how we can see the exactly what changes has been made. After that, let's make commit and push it to the origin. Okay, to do it, first we have to create the branch. To creating the branch, we have to write git checkout minus b. Then it means we have to create a branch, and after that we have to check out to this branch. And here we have to give the naming of your branch. Branch name should be very particular to your work. It should be reflecting what you are going to make the change. So first, the best practice what is mainly followed in the industry, you have to write the users. It means users. Then you have to give your name, then slash. Then in this type, then after the slash, you have to put your branch exact name, like what the changes, what is the region, what is the cause, what is the feature, bug, and etc. What is the main root cause why you are creating this branch. So just I am creating this adding living place. Okay. So actually what is here, it is not necessary you have to follow this, but it is like mostly followed in the industry this pattern. We can simply write instead of this at living in place. It will also work. But this is the perfect workflow. This is when your seniors will check we have added the users and Ajay, then it will directly indicate that the Ajay has created this branch. Okay, so just press the enter. After that, we have you can check this. You are already in new branch. Okay, and this text has been modified. So now we have to add this file. After that, we have to make a commit message. Then we are going to push this branch. Okay, so let's see here. git status. You have to always run the git status to check the current status of your repositories. Git add, then branch name, sorry, file name. Now you can check by running git status. You can see here it is already staged now, and now we have to commit this file. Then to commit it, we have to write git commit -m, then message what the changes are made. Edit living city name. Okay, sorry. Now changes has been committed. Okay, now we have to create the pull request. Like this is the workflow. After the creating the branch, what the changes you have made, then you have to give the pull request. To create the pull request, you have to push this branch to your repositories. Like currently we are using the GitHub. To do it, you have to write the command git push, then origin, then branch name. After hitting the enter, this branch will be this branch will be pushed to the your repository. And here you can get the link to create the pull request. Just open this one here from the terminal. This link has been given after the pushing this branch. Now just open this into your browser and you have to create the branch. Just I have pushed it. Now here is the title. You can update the title like you can just put the title name as per you. What is the current title name? Like what is the changes you have made? After that, if there is any card, any Jira card or any Trello card, if there is anything, you can just put it here in your description. After that, you have to check in this diff file. This is the diff, right? Diff means you can compare your changes with the last two new. So here I can see in my last file in line number 2 there was a sd2 at xyz. Now after my changes it is going to be the sd2 at x by c, and apart from this I have also added a line number 3 that is the living in Gurugram. Okay, so I can see everything is okay. Just put a description here, edit living city. Okay, just create a pull request. Here I have created the pull request for it. Now your senior will be check it. After that, they will merge it. Okay. So just I have the repository merge permission as this is my project itself. So here I can merge this one. Just confirm it. Now, as you can see, this has been merged to the main. Let's come to the local. Just clear it. Currently, you can see here I am in the last branch what I have made and the post, and you can and you already know this has been merged. So I think this branch is no longer needed. But if you go to the git checkout main main, if you have to check out to the another branch, then you have to write the command git checkout, then you have to pass the branch name. Okay, so I want to go to the main, then I have to write the git checkout, then main here. You can see we have already check out to the main branch. Just run git status. Let's check the file. But here you can see there is no changes what you have made the last time. There is the still XYZ and the line number 3 is still missing. Why? Because you have merged your code in your repositories, but you have not taken the pull. So now I am going to tell you how you can take the pull. So this is very simple. You have to write git pull origin, then branch name here. After you have taken the pull, now check your code again. Now you will see The latest code has been updated, and line number 3 also present here, and SD28xyz is there. So this is the simple git command which is mainly used in your daily routine when you will join company, when you will work in a project with your colleague. So just summarize it. Let me give you some command. Git status. By using this, you can just check the current status of your repository. Git branch. By running this, you can check the all branch in your local. So like this, you can check here is the main and this is. If you have to check out to the branch, then you have to run git checkout, then branch name. After this, you will be check out to the respected branch where you want to check out. Let's check out main to again. And if you have to create the new branch, then you have to write git checkout minus hyphen v, then your branch name. Let's give a UAT. Now just run git status and you can see new branch has been created and you are already check out to the new branch. And just make changes again. Gurugram state. To add this one, git add, then file name, to commit it, just you have to write git commit minus m, and then you have to pass the message edit state. This has been committed, and when if you want to push this, then write git push origin, then branch name. Just create the PR. If you have to create the PR, then only create. Sometime you also don't need to create a PR. Without creating a PR, also you can merge your code to your local. In this time, I am not going to create PR, but I am going to merge this UAT code to the main into your local, then I am going to push it. So to do it, just do it. Git checkout main, and in main you can check there is the no state data, but after the merging UAT into your main, you will see it is already updated. To do it, we have to run git merge UAT. This one. You can see here this file has been updated and the character has been added state, and you can directly push this from the main git push origin main. Okay, the changes has been pushed to the main directly, and in your code base you can directly check it. This has been updated. Okay, so thank you. This was all for the Git. If you have any doubt, question, just comment out and I will check and I will reply. And to support my channel, just do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.